हेलो एवरीबॉडी, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो इस वीडियो में ना मैंने अचीव करने की कोशिश की है एक ड्यूई लुक दैट्स गोना लुक सुपर ब्यूटीफुल इन विंटर्स. You know how around this time we like to apply red and maroon lipsticks. So I've tried to achieve this look with very beautiful products. जिनका description I'm gonna give you in the video. So without a further delay, let's get started. So like always, I like to do my eyebrows before doing my base. Now we are moving ahead with the preparation of the base. I'm using my Bioderma cream. This one gives me a lot of hydration and has eventually replaced my embroideries as well. I have used Olens over here because I wanted brown eyes, and then I'm using Loreal Lumi Glow on the high points of my face. इससे थोड़ा सा hydration रहेगा and it will give me that dewy glow that I'm looking for. Now for color correction, I'm using the Nars concealer. This is medium 2.5 shade that I always like to use on my pigmentation areas. Now I'm just blending it properly, and I make sure wherever I apply this concealer, I don't apply foundation over there, especially on the under eyes and around the mouth. Now I'm using the Haus Labs foundation. I love this foundation, the kind of coverage it gives. I like to use it in my full glam looks because this is a medium to full coverage foundation. Now, especially for winters, I like to use creamy products, liquidy products because they look very dewy and gives you a dewy glow on the face as well. Here I'm using the Makeup by Mario blush, and now I'm using the Saie Contour. I'm just placing it wherever I like to apply my bronzer or contour, and then I'm just blending it with the Rare Beauty brush. Also, can you please just take a moment and subscribe to my channel because here you get everything unsponsored. Now the idea is always to blend the darker color first, then you are going to go ahead with the blush, and then you apply your lighter color concealer on the under eyes so that you don't see lines and one thing blends into the another. At this point, if you're getting confused and if you are a beginner, I have specific tutorials and courses on my page. You can check them out so that you understand my theory of makeup and you will basically understand all the fundamentals of the makeup. I'm gonna put the link in the description as well. Now after blending everything beautifully, now you can see I haven't applied any foundation around the mouth. I just applied the lighter color concealer on the top of that dark color concealer. Now I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury's Illuminator and just pressing it on the high points of my face. This is gonna give me that glow that I'm looking for. Now, after done with the cream products, it's always time for your powder products. So first I set my under eyes and around the mouth area so that I don't get any sweating and my base should not move from there. And on the rest of the face, I like to spread the powder with the brush only. Using the Milani setting spray over here on my full face, it will give me hydration. Now for the brows, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Gel Kit. You can always use any sort of brow product that you like, or you can use the powders as well. Now I'm using the Kosas Blush. I have 3 shades in this and I'm currently testing all of them. This is one of them and I really like this. Now I've recently ordered the Nars bronzer and I can officially say that it is beautiful and you should definitely invest your money in it. This is Laguna 03 shade and I'm just powdering wherever I contoured my face using MAC Fix Plus right now to get the sort of hydration. I didn't do much on the eyes. I've just used brown shades. So over here from Viseart palette, I am using the orange sort of shade in my transition area and just creating a line over there so that my eyes should look lifted and they should look little contoured using the highlighter from Clea. This is really expensive. You can use anything else in the world as well. Now I'm using the Givenchy palette. This is absolutely worth it palette because one shade that's brown, you just apply it on your eyes and it starts to look so beautiful. I've used the Bubble mascara over here and now doing my lip. So I did 2 sort of lips in this look. I'm gonna show in the end what those 2 looks. So I hope you guys have liked this look. If you have any questions, comment below. And yes, I know you guys have selected the topic why makeup oxidizes. I'm doing the scripting on that video. I'm gonna be back with that video, which is gonna be super informative. On this note, this is Neha saying bye bye.